Daily math review. The first one, what is 50% of 120 books? All right, remember that 50% is always, a percent is always out of 100. So we have that 50% out of 100. So remember we have that is over of. So is over of, we don't know what is. So I'm going to put an X there because I don't know what that is. But I do know it's of 120. All right, now we're going to solve it. 100 times x is 100x. 120 times 50. Well, I know that 12 times 5 is 60. So if I do 12 times our 5, that's 60. And then I have 2 zeros. So I have that 60. And then I have 2 more zeros because we have a 0 here and here. Now I can divide both sides. All right, so x is saying 100, I love ya, but I got to put you to the other side, so we got to divide you out. So we're going to divide both sides by 100. All right, so 100 divided by 100 is just going to be 1, and that is going to be x. Let me just give us some room here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so 100 divided by 100 is just 1, so we're left with x on this side equals, well, we can cancel out some zeros here. There's 1, there's 1. Oh, look at this. What is 60 divided by 1? 60, that's it. So our answer for this one is going to be 60. Woohoo! So 50% of 120 is 60. All right, now we're going to take a look at DMR number 2. So Todd drove 84 miles in 2 hours. Determine how many miles he drove in 1 hour. So we are going to find the unit rate here. Unit rates. I'll put a smiley face. All right, so we are going to see that he drove 84 miles. So I'm going to put that 84 miles on the top. And that was in 2 hours. Now, remember, all we literally have to do is just divide. So 84 divided by 2. I don't know that off the top of my head, so let's do it. 84 divided by 2. How many times can 2 go into 8? It can go into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down the 4. How many times can 2 go into 4? It can go in 2 times. You get 4, and you subtract, you get 0. So our answer is going to be 42 miles per 1 hour. So 42 miles per 1 hour. And that is going to be it for our DMR. Great job!